The Buffer Shield is a passive ability of all Stamina type bays. It activates alongside the main Stamina type ability and cancels out all damage received from collisions. The duration of a Buffer Shield is a little over that of the main Stamina type ability, so the Buffer Shield will remain even after the bay has stopped moving to regain stamina. The Buffer Shield deactivates when its duration ends or after cancelling out a collision, but it can cancel up to 2 collisions if the time between them is short enough, like in a barrage attack. The Buffer Shield is very useful as it is a more accessible alternative to a Nullify, since the type ability meter fills up faster than the avatar ability meter. Using the Buffer Shield may sometimes mean sacrificing stamina regeneration, but this is not always bad, particularly in cancelling out opponent switch strike abilities and in endgames when your bay is too slow to escape your opponent's reach. It is important to note that a Buffer Shield does not work against an active Buffer Shield or an avatar attack, and the Buffer Shield does not activate immediately, so unlike a Nullify, it can't be used at the last moment, but it will still activate and stay until it cancels out a collision or its duration ends. So the secret is out. More details in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more techniques and strategies and other awesome videos. Goodbye and keep blading from a technical blader.